Hello, everyone. My name is Mama Bunny, and I'm so happy to see you here back at the burrow. And to all of our new friends, hello. It's so nice to meet you. How was your day? I hope it went well. And now that you're here, my day's gotten even better. Last time, I read the first two chapters of Father Bear Comes Home. And I promised this time I would read the last two chapters. And that's just what I'm gonna do. But first, we can't have a nice story unless we're all comfy cozy. So go get something comfy. And don't forget to bring your favorite stuffy. I think they're gonna want to hear the story too tonight, don't you? Well then, are we all comfy cozy? Let's get started, shall we? Our first story tonight is called Hiccups. Little Bear was happy. Father Bear was home. He was in his chair reading. Cat, duck, hen, and Little Bear were playing with the seashells. They were trying to hear the ocean. I hear it, said Cat.
So do I,
said Duck.
I do too,
said Hen. I do too, said Little Bear. Ick, he said again. You have the hiccups, said Cat. Have some water, Little Bear, said Mother Bear. So Little Bear had some water, but he did not stop hiccuping. Hello, everyone. Owl was at the door. Hello, Owl, said Mother Bear. You are the very one for us. You are always so wise. Water will not stop Little Bear's hiccups. What can we do? Well now, said Owl. Water is very good, but he must hold his breath too, said Little Bear. How can I hold my breath too? You can, said Owl. Try. Little Bear did as Owl said. See, said Little Bear. No more hiccups. He was hiccuping again. This always works, said Cat. And he gave Little Bear a slap on the back. Oof, said Little Bear. That's not any good. Someone is at the door, said Cat. Someone is coming in. Little Bear laughed. Look at that, he said. It's only Duck and Hen.
Did we make the hiccups go away?
asked Duck. No, you did not, said Little Bear. Father Bear roared. There is too much noise here. Who is making all that noise? He looked at Owl, Cat, Hen, and Duck. How can I read with all that noise? He asked, and he looked at Little Bear. Noise, said Little Bear. I was only hiccuping. What was that? said Father Bear. Hiccuping, said Little Bear. I was only hiccuping. Father Bear laughed. Hiccuping, he said. I can't hear any hiccups. But I was hiccuping, said Little Bear. All right, said Father Bear. Hiccup for me. But Little Bear could not do it. Come now, said Father Bear.
1, 2, 3, hiccup.
No, Little Bear could not do it,
Well, well,
said Father Bear.
I guess he can't hiccup anymore.
Why should he? Said Mother Bear.
Who wants hiccups anyways?
Said Hen.
That's right.
Said Cat and Duck.
Who wants hiccups?
Owl said.
You can still stop them my way. Little Bear didn't really try.
They all laughed, and Owl laughed too.
You just have to know how to do it.
Said Owl.
That's right.
Said Father Bear.
You just have to know how to do it.
Our next story is Little Bear's Mermaid. We can picnic here, said Mother Bear. It's nice here by the river.
Let's go for a swim,
said Father Bear. Owl said.
Little Bear swims like a fish.
Yes, said Little Bear. But mermaids swim best of all. I still wish we had a mermaid. Maybe there is a mermaid in the river. I never saw one, said Cat. Well, said Little Bear, she may be shy. She may not want us to see her. If we could make believe we are asleep, she might come and look at us.
Would she like us?
Asked Hen. Of course, said Little Bear. She might want to play with you, said Mother Bear. Then I would jump up and play with her, said Little Bear.
Oh,
said Owl.
but if she is shy, she might jump back in the river. Then all we could see would be bubbles.
I see some bubbles now, said Little Bear. And where there are bubbles, there may be a mermaid. I'm going in.
If you find a mermaid,
said Father Bear.
ask her to picnic with us.
Yes, do that, said Mother Bear. Ask her. I will, said Little Bear. Because you can never tell. She might really come back with me.
Yes, indeed,
said Father Bear.
she might really come back with you. Because you can never tell about mermaids. You never can tell.
The end. Oh, weren't those some fun stories? Whenever I get a hiccup, I find sipping some water helps. Ooh, I don't like hiccups though. They tickle my nose. And oh, to swim with a mermaid sounds like such fun. But I never did hear about a mermaid being found in a river. But maybe, just maybe, there are some. I haven't looked in a while. So maybe next time I go out to the river, I'll take a peek. Oh my, look at the time. It's getting late and we should go to sleep. So get all snuggled up underneath your blanket. Hold your favorite stuffy tight, tight, tight so they know they are loved. Oh, and dream some wonderful dreams. And while you're dreaming some wonderful dreams, I'll find us a story for next time. How does that sound? And always remember, Mama Bunny loves you very, very much. Good night.